vanilla extract, 3 8-ounce cream cheese, heavy whipping cream, powdered sugar, and a pre-made crust. And for the toppings, you can use caramel or whipped cream, but these are optional. First thing to do, you need 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, and then you're gonna blend it on medium high. Next, after you have mixed this, you're going to set it aside and get a new bowl. Then you're gonna mix cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract. So you need 1 cup of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then all the cream cheese. Now after you have put everything in there, you mix it up for 2 minutes. And when you're working with cream cheese, you always use an electric. When you're blending it, you have to add the heavy whipping cream, which is in the other bowl, into this bowl. After you have put the cheesecake filling into the pie crust, you are going to cover in saran wrap and freeze it overnight.
See you in 24 hours.
So now that it has chilled overnight in the refrigerator, you can take off the thing and...
Oh yeah, and you can put any toppings on it. We're using whipped cream and caramel to put on top of it. And when you're done, you get to eat it.